to the Blue Gems app, also known as the Parent Portal. Here in the app, you can go ahead and schedule makeups, submit absences, complete registrations, and much more. So now we're going to learn on how to submit an absence. So you can go ahead and click up that right top hand corner hamburger menu, then choose absences and makeups, then click that green button, submit an absence. Then from here, we're going to go ahead and place our dates that we're going to be absent from. So a from date and then to a to date. Then we'll go ahead and put a reason in there. Then we'll click next step and we'll choose the class we're going to be absent for. And then you're all set. You submitted an absence. Please note, it may take up to 24 hours for your absence request to be reviewed for eligibility for a makeup class. Let's go ahead and schedule a makeup. So we're going to click this top right hand menu up here, the hamburger menu. Now we're going to click on absences and makeups. Then we can go ahead and see we have 2 makeups available. So we're going to go ahead and click on one. Normally here you'd see a long list of makeup options, but right now we're just going to choose that top one. And from here we're going to see some friendly reminders. We're going to click OK. And then we've scheduled a makeup. Let's go ahead and click on it so we can see the details. See the time and day when our makeup is scheduled. Looking to change your schedule? The Blue Gems app makes that a breeze. We're going to go ahead and click on the Find Classes, that green button right there. And then from there, we're also going to click on Waitlist. That will also show us some full classes if we wanted to get on a waitlist. Then we can also go ahead and add a filter, select Category 3. Then we can choose the level that our student is enrolled in, add filter. Then we can go ahead and find a class. Once you have gone ahead and found a class that fits, then you can choose that class and come up to reception and schedule it. Thanks for watching the video on some tips on how to use our app. Let us know if you have any other questions. We'll be happy to assist you. Thank you.